Heavenly Father, I pray for unity within my family. Help us to love and support one another in times of joy and sorrow. Dear God, protect our family from the anxieties and fears that can accompany difficult times. Grant us your peace that surpasses all understanding. Heavenly Father, I thank you for the gift of my family. Please continue to shower us with your love and blessings and help us to grow closer to you each day. Lord, in times of emotional turmoil, grant us the patience and understanding to support one another. Help us communicate openly and resolve conflicts with love. Heavenly Father, in these challenging moments, I turn to you for strength and guidance for my family. Please provide us with the resilience to face these difficulties with unwavering faith. Dear God, grant us the strength to preserve and the faith to believe that brighter days are ahead. Help us find joy even amidst adversity. Heavenly Father, we thank you for the bond that holds our family together. In these trying moments, draw us closer to each other and to you.